bro. You stopped being him the moment you stopped respecting yourself. Step forward, man. Let me look at you for a second. You've been moving like your life doesn't depend on your choices, but it does. Your life doesn't fall apart all at once. It crumbles through small decisions stacked over time. Sleeping in, skipping the gym, ignoring your purpose. A lion doesn't lose his roar overnight. He loses it by habits he thought didn't matter. You don't need a new life. You need new patterns. Every kingdom starts with order. Every comeback starts with discipline. Wake up earlier. Make your bed. Clean your space, not because it's cute, because a man who cannot control himself cannot control anything. Your consistency is louder than your pain. Your discipline is louder than your insecurities. Your actions are louder than your excuses. When a lion rises in the morning, he doesn't check who's watching. He moves because he must. Men become dangerous again, not when they're angry, but when they're focused. If this hit your chest, subscribe to Kingdom Comebacks and rise like the king you were built to be.